They be trying to say shit unisex, but no, no, no. So aviators, you fuck with the aviators. I'm trying to see what I would look at. See, this always catches my attention. Rose gold seats, white shits, clean. Or I could try these shits on. Make a difference. But they got it in black too. They got it in black. But I would try the white one. So I would try the white on. Cause I got these shits in gold. But the white ones they would pop out. They definitely stand out. They go with it. I can wear them right now. I can wear them right now. So I don't know why I thought when I put them shits on I was gonna be able to see. So some more aviators. Now these is gold kinda sorta. Nah. I don't know what that is. I think that might have been like the rose gold pair. This might be the gold pair. Is it even worth it for me to try aviator? Oh, so the difference between this doesn't have that bridge. This one has the bridge. I will go with this one. Because I got a wide nose. Got a wide nose.
They're very interesting. I wonder if they have those in... Everything says medium. I don't know. Do they even make it small? What?
Bro, hell yeah. Hell yeah. What the fuck? Hell yeah. Easy as fuck. I got the Warby Parker app too. Sade. Go with your long time, Sade. Now, clear never really works for me. I don't know why. Clear never really works for me. It don't do nothing. Well, maybe if I want to be inconspicuous, like I ain't got glasses on, I could wear those. Now, this caught my attention just because of, I don't even know what you call that. There's some food that look like this. There's some food, I don't know what the food called is, but there's some food that look like this. This is the nerd. I'm at the library. I work at the library. I'm a librarian. Yep. I look like a fucking librarian. No. No. And then the last thing to try on would be probably, that's a nice tortoise. The last ones to try on would be some shades. Now the only thing that got me one time I ordered shades from here, I want shades that got like a description in it. It's not. How you gonna send me the shades and they're not ombre? Now these are shits, right? I'm not sure if they should be like, they low key. Hold on, I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna put those on. I really can't see, but I'm not sure if the color looks alright. Everything tinted. But the color, it's the color. Alright, so that's Warby Parker. Here's the highlight, bro.